In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to create email design in Figma. This process leverages the power of artificial intelligence to rapidly generate design concepts, significantly speeding up your workflow and sparking new creative ideas. It's an incredibly efficient way to go from a simple idea to a concrete visual design in just a few moments. To begin, you'll need to open Figma and navigate to its main menu. You can typically find this by looking for the Figma icon or a hamburger menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of your interface. Once you're in the main menu, your primary task is to formulate a prompt. Think of this prompt as your instructions to the AI. This is where you describe the kind of email design you envision. To get the best results, be as specific and descriptive as possible. For instance, you might say, design a promotional email for a spring clothing sale, featuring a pastel color palette, clear product image placeholders, and a prominent Shop Now button at the bottom. Or perhaps, create a weekly newsletter template for a tech blog, emphasizing a clean, minimalist layout with sections for article headlines and social media links using a dark mode aesthetic. The more detail you provide about the email's purpose, target audience, desired style, and key elements, the better the AI can understand and fulfill your request. Once you've crafted your prompt, you'll look for a button that says Make It, or something similar. This is your command to the AI to start generating the design. Simply click on this button to initiate the design process. It's the trigger that translates your textual description into a visual layout. After clicking Make It, you'll need to wait for a moment. This brief pause allows the AI to process your prompt, analyze the keywords, interpret the design requirements, and then synthesize various visual elements and layouts into cohesive email designs. The AI is working diligently behind the scenes, drawing upon its vast knowledge base of design principles and existing email templates to create something new and relevant to your specifications. The waiting time is usually quite short, but it's an important part of the generation cycle. Finally, once the AI has finished its work, you'll be presented with a range of generated design options. Your next step is to carefully scan these results. Take your time to review each design. Consider how well each option aligns with your original prompt and design goals. Look at the overall layout, the color schemes, the typography choices, and the placement of key elements like calls to action or image placeholders. Evaluate their visual appeal, their clarity, and their potential effectiveness for an email campaign.